Hi, this is Candy, the crafty accountant, and this is my latest creation. I am so excited about this book. I know I usually do mini albums, and this is something very different. It's a journal that I was asked to make for a friend of mine, Rebecca. She has a company, 81st & Co. Crochet, and she's been making beautiful things for my daughter, and we've kind of been going back and forth and making things for each other and our families, and it's been a wonderful collaboration. And she wanted something very special for her niece, who is a published poet. She has a book on Amazon, The Girl I Used to Be. Her name is Natalie, and I made this special journaling book for her. The family has a very distant relationship to Shakespeare. So there's Shakespeare references in here, and I'm going to show you this book. This book is, I spent a lot of time watching videos, looking at things, going to bookstores to try to figure out exactly what I wanted to do. And then I found a video by Natasa from Treasure Books, and it was a lay flat journal. And I thought, oh my gosh, this is perfect. And I had so much tea dyed, coffee dyed, avocado dyed paper, and specialty paper that I could put in here. So let's start the flip through. So this is just tied together. There's nothing holding this. I just wanted to hold it. And there's some things in here that'll probably come out, which will make the book flatter. But it's got this beautiful fabric that I was able to get. And it's got a hard back and front cover. It says create something beautiful. And I've got the calligraphy pens on there. You open it up and it says this book belongs to. And you can see it's just loaded with, I don't know if this is the tea dyed or the coffee dyed paper. And I wanted to leave a lot of space for writing. So it does have a lot of blank pages. It does have 5 signatures. It's got over 100 pages of paper to write in various ways. This here I added in. This was a Shakespeare download that I had gotten. Let's see, a lot of blank pages. This is just some stickers I put in. You can see I hand stitched all 5 of the signatures. This is a hidden paper clip. And inside here, it's just a flap. And I just have a little card in there, close it. And there's something on the other side. This is a little Shakespeare reference. So I'm just going to clip that on. Here we go. More blank pages. Again, a lot of space for writing. This was a Midsummer Night's Dream. Just, you know, a little paper to put in there. So we've got that there, just a little envelope sewed in. This came from a Shakespeare digital download. Now this here is a multi-pocket. So I've got Sonnet 116 tucked in. Then I have here Tales from Shakespeare. This is just like some old timey paper I had, but it's a multi-pocket. And a special surprise for Natalie is a copy of her book. So I think that'll be cool. I printed the cover. So that will be awesome. Okay, here we go. Again, a lot of space for writing. Here is a little lace pocket. And inside, I have just, this is Twelfth Night from Shakespeare. It's just a little, one of those little journals I had made. Just little scraps for journaling. And then I have a tiny little book. Oh my goodness, so cute. So I'm just going to tuck that in there. Okay. And each signature, there's like a kind of a cover for each signature. Sorry, this is going to be a lot of pages. This is just an insert in there, little belly band, another belly band. This was a fun belly band. I just made a whole bunch of little tiny envelopes. I don't have anything in them, and they're not decorated, but I just thought it looked kind of cute to decorate them like that. I found a little tutorial for the little envelopes. You can make them any size. I'll link that in the comments. Let's see. Well, there's so many pages here, so let's take a little bit. A sonnet. So this here is also from Natasa. This I made from paper towels. So brown paper towels with glue and water mixture. And it just kind of makes it like leathery. It's just kind of cool. Okay, another signature sewn, more of that paper, an insert. These are just quotes from Shakespeare. Here is a little hidden pocket there, but this is cool. It's just a tiny little, you open it up and there's a little book in there. And this, I just stapled it, but yeah, this is, kind of had fun doing this. I probably should have used a different string to make it, but I am going to do a video for them to see what's in the book. Just things I thought would be pretty for inspiration. Here is a belly band with a little pocket, and this has got a little one of her book, and then just some inserts in there. Okay, whole lot here. Another flap. And this came from Victoria Designs. It was a steampunk journal, and I took components from it and just stuck it in the journal. This is another hidden paper clip, and I've just got Hamlet sees his father's ghost, and on the other side is just a little journaling card. Here is this came from a digital download, another sonnet, just some blank pages. Stuck that in there in a tuck spot. Wow, this book is big, huh? Okay, so just some cards. This here is a napkin. So I basically took a napkin. That was another one of Natasa's tutorials, and that's a mixture of glue and water over it. And I kind of got the design. I actually did it on a tablecloth, and it picked up everything from the tablecloth. So this is the tablecloth that came up. My daughter said it looked like blood. We have some doilies in there. This is just washi tape. I am not in my normal spot, so this is a little uncomfortable making this here. Okay, just digital download letters to myself that I put in there. All sorts of different papers and things from all kinds of sources. This was a download that I printed on the, I don't know if this is tea dyed or coffee dyed paper. I'm never sure. I just make so much of it. I make tons of it. And I'm in Louisiana. It's very cold right now, and I need to make more, but I can't put it out. So I may try the oven drying method. Okay, don't count the days. Make the days count. I just thought having little fun things in there as prompts. I am no poet. I don't write poetry. So I hope this will help. This is me just guessing and watching hundreds and hundreds of videos. Just a little tuck and a hidden paper clip. Okay. This is old typewriter paper that I had. Just papers that I had from my daughter. Another little pocket. It's got a picture of Shakespeare. Beautiful minds inspire others. It's a tea-dyed doily. She does like cats. So I made this little book, and it's got a tuck with, I think this is Othello. Let's see. Yeah, Othello. A little card from Othello. And just a little tuck. Some washi here. Some lace. It's the other side of the hidden paper clip. And just little spots here. You know, she could put mementos or things there. This lifts. And some washi here. Okay. More papers. Let's see. Again, lots and lots of space for writing. I'm getting very uncomfortable. I have to change. This is one of my little books. So I just liked what it said. It said, these are the days to remember. So I stuck that in the envelope that I had tucked in there. Shakespeare. Christmas has taken over the house, and I don't have any of my usual spots to work in. A little sticker I had that I thought was pretty. Okay, let's say just a tuck spot. This is funny. All of this, it's upside down, but this is the way the writing was. So I decided to put it in that way. I don't know. I liked it better. And I figured she could write down here. Another hidden paper clip. This here, Much Ado About Nothing. And then I have another little tuck spot with some Shakespeare reference in there. Just fun little things that she'll be able to find in the book. Let's see. Down more paper. I think I have that now. More papers. This is avocado dyed paper here. Wow, these 5 signatures, it's a lot. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just looking to see where there's like little just stickers here and there, random things. But again, primarily it's just spaces for her to write. This is just washi on there. Okay, let's say avocado dyed, more washi. That, you know, we were talking about it, my husband and I and my daughter, because we go over all of it. The last section is really just mostly for writing. There's not a lot of pockets in there, but you can see, so this is what they call a lay flat. It's got the 5 signatures, and you can see no matter where you are, the book will lay flat. And that's the way it's designed, so it's not popping up. And I think once she takes some of the things out, you know, there's a couple of notepads and whatnot in there. It's like, even if she takes this out, it's going to lie. Let me leave this out so I know where it goes. It just lies closer. But I'm super excited about this book. I cannot wait to mail it to her. It did get there after Christmas. This one took a lot of thought. I just got very behind with the holidays and everything trying to get it done. But I love this book. Let me know what you think about it.